Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn a morning conversation. So let's start.
Good morning, wake up please.
Hmm, just 5 more minutes.
No, it's already early morning. The sun will rise soon.
I feel very sleepy today.
Come on, you have an important meeting today?
Oh yes, I almost forgot.
That's why I woke you up early.
Thank you, but I need some coffee first.
Coffee is ready. Go fresh up quickly.
Okay, I'm getting up now.
Good. Start your day with a smile.
You are right. A good morning makes a good day.
Exactly. Don't be lazy, be active.
Yes, madam. I will be ready in 10 minutes.
Great. Breakfast will be ready too.
Perfect. Thank you for taking care of me.
Always. Have a great day.
Thank you.